Good evening, students. So let's start our class today. As you know, that today we will be discussing the solution to the unit test question to equilibrium. So I'll keep the questions one by one, and then we will discuss its solution. So the first question, I'm going to keep it here, and do let me know what solution you get. Just give me a few seconds so that I can, keep that solution here. This is descriptive question number 1, right? So what is the solution you get? Dear students, Shrestha, Pratik, Tejas, what solution you get for the first question?
Sir, not in equilibrium.
Okay.
And forward reaction.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So reaction
Yes, sir. Even I got this, sir.
forward direction. Forward
reaction, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So the point is that, yeah, you said correctly. You find the value of QC that is less than KC, right? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
And then so reaction will shift. That concludes the reaction will shift in the forward direction. Correct. So I made the solution in this manner. Please have a look into it. And if you have any question, please do let me know. And that leads to a quadratic equation. Pratik, you got in the same manner or different?
Same, sir.
All of you got it, right? So Tejas, you got in the same manner. This is the one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me proceed to the next question then.
Sir, is it 36.8?
You got the value as 36.8.
Sir, I got close by 36.7 I got.
Yeah.
So I got I didn't get 36. I couldn't get the answer, sir. Can you show me the
So
solution?
I got it is 36.69. Okay. So let me show you the diagram first and followed by its explanation. And please have a look into it. And if you have any doubt, please do let me know. I hope Pratik, you got maybe you got 36.8. I think due to approximation that happens, right?
Yes, sir.
Dear Tejas, please have a look into it. I think the solution is quite self-explanatory. And Shrestha, you got the same manner?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tejas, please do let me know that if any assistance you need in understanding this solution before we proceed to the next question.
I got it, sir.
Okay, so now let me proceed to the next question, dear students. So next question will be available to you shortly. This is descriptive question number 3. Dear Shrestha,
Sir,
yes. Yeah, tell me,
yes, sir.
what is your solution? Did you get it?
Uh, I KP is 62,500.
Okay.
And total pressure is 789.28 torr.
So I got 870.
Sir,
Pressure.
sir, I got 789.28 something.
What is the unit?
Torr.
Uh,
Torque.
Tor.
Torque.
Okay. Could you please tell me in ATM? See, here the question is that calculate the value of the equilibrium constant for the dissociation reaction. Correct, no? So what is the value of Kp then? Hello? Dear Shrestha? Able to hear me? Pratik?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So look into the first question. What is the first question? You need to find the value of Kp, right?
Yes,
What is
sir.
that?
I got 62,500 Tor.
Square.
Yeah,
Yeah, Tor square.
Yeah, 62,500
torque,
torque square, sir.
correct. So what is the ATM? You need to give in always, better to give answer in terms of, ATM. So please have a look into it. See, let me first show you the reaction and followed by, how we are doing in the equilibrium.
So is it 0.108?
Correct. That is ATM square, right?
Yes, sir. ATM square KP value.
Correct. KP value is
And
ATM.
the total pressure is 1.03 something.
Correct. Correct. You are
Yes.
absolutely correct. Yep. So what I'm talking about, that is the answer to the first part. Correct or not? Please have a look into it.
So the total is 1.0304
Zero
or
zero three eight. Yep. Yep.
0338. Yeah, yes, sir.
Clear or not clear? I think it is clear to all of you, right? Dear Tejas, perfectly fine. Any question you have
Yes,
here?
sir. No, sir, I got it.
Okay, so then let me proceed for question number 4, descriptive question number 4. This is the fourth question, dear students.
So partial pressure of chlorine and PCl3 both are 0.814 atm,
Are you sure?
and
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir, and partial pressure of PCl5 is 0.372.
Yes, sir.
Okay, come again once more for the value of Kp, dear stressed.
KP value is 1.78.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic.
1.78.
ATM. Always give the unit, please. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
ATM.
Always. That is a smart practice.
Okay.
Okay. After 1 year, you are going to be an engineer. You will be studying engineering, right? So the point is that at that time, you always give answer which makes sense to some other person, right? It is not a constant, right? So you need to give the unit, and then,
Yes, sir.
then,
Sir,
and,
B part I didn't get.
B part I will discuss, but the
Yes, even I
P
didn't get.
you got 0.372 ATM, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And Pratik, what about the answer to the part B? Did you find the degree of dissociation of PCl5?
No, sir, I couldn't do it.
Okay, so let me discuss this thing. So here goes, the solution. So especially look into the part B of the solution. At any things are self-explanatory. Any question at any moment of time, dear Tejas, please ask me. Tejas, you got the part A?
I got the answer for part A.
Okay. Now, Shrestha and Pratik and Tejas as well. What was the difficulty faced to answer the part B of the question? Dear Shrestha and Pratik, Tejas, any question here?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Did you get the point, Shrestha?
Yes, I got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let me go to the next question, descriptive question 5.
Sir, KP is 0.1575.
KP is
0.1575 ATM square.
correct. You are absolutely correct. What about you, dear Shrestha and Tejas? Hello, Shrestha, did you get it? Tejas, did you get it?
So I got
No, sir.
0.1575.
No, sir. I didn't get.
What is the unit?
So unit.
Yeah,
I guess it's ATM, sir.
Pratik, what is the unit? Hello, hello. Pratik, you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
What is the unit of KP?
Sir, ATM square.
Correct. You got my point. Tejas, you said ATM.
Yes, sir, ATM squares.
Okay, Shrestha, you didn't get it. So let me share the solution with you. Dear Shrestha, did you find that the mole computation for the initial mole and the equilibrium, and what is the total mole? Hello, Shrestha.
In calculating the value of KP, I did a mistake.
Okay. Okay. Dear Tejas, did you get this question right?
Got 0.1575.
Yeah. Okay. Shall we move to the next question? Set that is MCQ questions. Shrestha, may I move?
Yes, sir.
What is the solution? What is the option you got, Shrest, for MCQ question 1? Pratik, Tejesh?
Sir, I didn't get this one.
Sir, I think the answer is C.
Not
So
really.
I couldn't get this one.
Okay, that is a good question. Let me first share the solution, then we'll discuss. So first consider the equation, and at t equal to 0, these are the values, correct? And at equilibrium, definitely this will be the values, correct? No. So total pressure at equilibrium will be we add all these things, and according to the question, that should be equal to 0.544 atm, correct? No. So from here we find the value of x. Is it clear so far, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So the most important part was to find the value of x. Yes, did you find the value of x properly or not, Pratik?
Yes, sir, I got.
Now at equilibrium, then you get the value of Kp, right? Clear or not clear?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
We got the
Yes,
D
sir.
as the first option.
Uh, yes, sir, I understood.
Okay. All right. Let me proceed to the next question.
Sir, is option A correct?
Correct, you are. It is
Yes, sir.
indeed
Option
option
A.
A.
Yes, sir.
All of you got option A? Dear
Yes,
Shrest?
sir. Yes.
Shrest, you got option A? I hope things are very explanatory. Okay, Shrest, please have a look into. I get your WhatsApp message. So please have a look into it. Please have a look into the solution. Okay, I do understand that you are facing some problem with internet. Anyway, you can look into this solution later as well. And after the class, I will share that entire class note. So now let me move to the third multiple choice question. So Pratik and Tejas, what answer you got for third question?
Sir, A.
Yes, sir. A.
Okay. Tejas, what you got?
Sir, I got A.
Good. A, indeed, A is the correct answer. Okay, as all of you got option A, so let me proceed to the next question. That is question number 4.
Sir, I got option C.
Correct you are. What about Shrestha and Tejas?
Sir, option C, sir.
Dear Shrestha, you got option C as well? Okay, maybe your internet is not working properly today. Yes, option C is the correct one. Yes, just I got your WhatsApp message. Yeah, it is option C. Good, that all of you got correctly. So now let me proceed to the next question. That is question number 5. Yes, Pratik, what you got?
Sir, I got option D.
Tejas?
I got B, sir.
Okay, it is option D is the correct answer. So let me share the solution. After that, I'll explain you. Dear Tejas, please have a look into it to understand that why it is option D and not B. Reaction 2 is in, is in equilibrium, not, preceded in the forward reaction. Got it? Clear or not clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me proceed to the next question, that is MCQ question number 6.
Sir, C.
Okay. What about Pratik?
Sir, I got A.
Sir, C, sir.
So here the correct option is C, Pratik. Let me share the solution with you.
Sir, it's fine, sir. I think I got wrong with the units.
Exactly. I hope you understood. I think it actually, just by looking into option A, you just, by seeing the value, you just clicked option A, na? 0.14, correct? That's what I think it happened, right, Pratik?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, now let me go to question number 7.
Sir, option A.
Sir, A.
Tejas,
Sir, I couldn't get the answer for this. They were not matching the options.
okay. So let me discuss the solution. Let me first share the solution with you, then we'll discuss. So, under similar conditions of T and total pressure, degree of dissociation will also be the same, right? No? Correct? So first we find that 10 gram of N2O4 is equal to how many moles? And after that we proceeded, right, from that reaction. Once we find the total moles at equilibrium, we can find out, the volume, that is equal to, by leveraging the formula PV equal to N0T. Correct, no? So V is equal to N0T by P, where P is 1, N you already found out, and R and T you are aware of. Correct, no? Only here the question was that what is the number of moles at equilibrium? Correct or not? Dear Tejas?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Okay. Now let me go to the next question, that is question number 8, multiple choice question number 8.
Sir, is option B correct?
I'm sorry?
Option B.
Option B.
Absolutely. Tejas, what you got? Did you get option B or did you get some other options?
I got option B, sir. 0.4.
Okay, good. Indeed, option B is correct one. I hope you got it, dear students. All of you made it correct. So let me proceed to the next one. That is question number 9.
Sir, B.
B.
B, sir.
Appreciate. It is indeed B. As all of you got it correct, so let me proceed to the next one. That is question number 10. Yes, dear students, what is your answer here? Pratik?
So B.
Correct, you are
20 by.
students? Yes, it is.
Yes, sir.
All of you got B?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Appreciate. As all of you got B, let me proceed to the next question. That is question number 11.
Sir, A.
Sir, A.
Dear Tejas, what about you?
So I got B for this.
Okay. Let me discuss the solution with you. First, you find the the mole total number of moles at the equilibrium, and after that we find the partial pressure of of AB2, AB, and B2, and from there eventually find the value of Kp. Correct or not? And after that, at equilibrium, the Kp, as x is very less than 1, so we can ignore the other values of the x. Correct. So we can ignore the value of 1 minus x. X is very, very less than 1. So 1 minus x whole square will be equal to 1 square. And that is the approximation we actually placed here. What I'm saying is that as x is very, very less than 1, okay, so then what we are going to get is that 1 minus x becomes near to 1, this one. And 1 plus x by 2 we can consider as 1, because as x is very less than 1, if you divide that very small number by 2, it will be even smaller. So 1 plus x by 2 we can assume that it is as 1. So finally we get x cube p p cube by 2p square, that is x square by p, and from there we find the value of Kp, we find the value, and then from there we can find the value of x. Dear Tejas, did you get my point? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Okay, great. Now let me go to the next question, that is question number 12.
Sir, C.
Sir, see.
See, sir.
Okay, appreciate very much. As all of you got it, then let me proceed to the next question, that is question number 13. I made a small mistake in the question number 13. Did you find what is the mistake?
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
that?
sir. K1 by K2 whole power 1 by root 2.
Correct. You are exactly. That was my,
So
typing.
option D should be
Okay, that was my type.
option D.
Are you sure it is option D?
Otherwise it's C because division sign is there.
Yeah.
Yeah, then C.
All of you notice this, typo? Dear Pratik?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Pratik, you got it? Okay. Yes. Now let me proceed to the next question. That is question number 14. That question will be available to you in another few seconds.
Sir, is B correct?
What about you, Shrest? Tejas, what's the answer you got for question number 14? Yes, Pratik, you are indeed correct. It is option B. Dear Shrest and Tejas, let me share the solution for you. Please go through it. If you need any assistance, please do let me know. Okay, I'm not able to hear you, Pratik and Tejas. Did you get it?
Sir, I got the correct answer.
Oh, okay, okay. I didn't hear your this one. Okay, anyway, that's fine. All right. Okay, now let me go to the next question. That is question number 15. What is the solution you got, dear Pratik?
Sir, C.
Is it C?
Not really. Tejas, sorry, Pratik and Shrest.
C, sir.
It is D, correct. Okay, dear students, so these are all the questions I sent you in the unit test of equilibrium. In the next class, that is the day after tomorrow, I will take a unit test on hyperbola. So please revise that unit by today, and tomorrow evening you will get the question both in the online test platform and in the app. So with this note, I would like to conclude the class for today, unless you have any specific question for me. You will get the class notes in another 15 minutes from now, and the recorded lecture in another 2 hours from now. Okay, thank you then.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.